Did you know people think about food like 200 times a day?
Wait, 200 times a day? No way.
Yes, 200 times, Lucas. We are always hungry.
Honestly, yeah, I am. I'm hungry right now.
Welcome back to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and my stomach is like making noises.
Perfect, because today we are talking about food.
Food, yes, I love food.
But here is the problem. A lot of people, they only say, I like pizza, or the food is good.
Yeah, good. It is very, boring.
Exactly. Very boring. We need better words. Words to describe how food feels.
Feels? Wait, I don't get it. Food doesn't feel, you just eat it.
No. Taste. How it tastes. Like, the flavor.
Oh, flavor, right.
So let's start with a fun one. Spicy.
Oh man, spicy. Ugh, I hate spicy food.
You hate it? Why?
It hurts. It is like fire in my mouth.
Yes, perfect example, Lucas. Spicy is like a tiny fire in your mouth.
A bad fire. A very bad fire.
Okay, what about sweet?
Sweet. Like cake or, ice cream.
Right, sweet is like a happy party in your mouth. Sugar.
A happy party. I like that. I want to party right now.
But what if it is too sweet?
Too sweet? Sick?
Yeah, it makes your teeth hurt. Now, what about sour?
Sour. Like, wait, is that a lemon?
Yes, lemon. Think about a lemon. What happens to your face?
Oh, I close my eyes, like my face gets small.
Yes, your face gets small. Sour is like a little electric shock.
A shock.
Yeah, zap. That is sour, like a green apple or a lemon.
Okay, I get it. Wait, what about salt? Like chips?
Salty. Salty is very important. French fries are salty.
French fries. I could eat... Actually, no, I want a hamburger.
Focus, Lucas. Salty is good, but too much salt makes you thirsty.
Water. You need water.
Exactly. And the last one is bitter.
Bitter. Wait, I don't know that word. Bitter?
Bitter is like black coffee. No sugar, just dark coffee.
Oh, ew. I hate that.
Right? It is strong. It is like an angry waiter waking you up.
An angry waiter? That is so weird, Luna.
But it makes sense. Bitter wakes you up, but it is not sweet.
Okay, so we have spicy, sweet, sour, salty, and bitter.
Good job. Now let's play a game.
Ooh, a game. I love games.
I will say a food, and you tell me the word. Ready?
Ready. Hit me.
Okay, a red chili pepper.
Easy, spicy, fire in the mouth.
Yes, good. Okay, chocolate.
Sweet, happy party.
Yes. Okay, potato chips.
Salty, need water.
Perfect. See, you are talking about food like a pro.
I am. But wait, what if the food is just bad?
Bad? Like old?
Yeah, like old milk.
Ugh, old milk is... Well, it is sour. S-O-U-R.
Sour.
Wait, like a lemon?
Yes, exactly. A lemon is good sour. Old milk is bad sour.
Ugh, very bad sour. Yuck.
You can also just say it went bad.
It went bad? Like it was a good boy and now it is a bad boy?
No, Lucas, no. It means it is too old to eat.
Oh, I see. The milk went bad.
Right. Or you can say the apple is rotten. Rotten means very old and black.
Rotten. Wow, that is a strong word.
Yeah, like, zombies. Zombies are rotten.
Oh, yes. Zombies are rotten meat.
Ew, yes, but I mean, true.
Okay, Luna, what about a food you love?
Oh, pizza. I love pizza.
Pizza, me too. But how do you say pizza is good? Just good?
You can say good, but a better word is delicious.
Delicious. It is a long word.
Yes, delicious. Or tasty. Tasty is very, very common.
Tasty. I like that word. It sounds like taste.
Exactly. It means it has a lot of good taste.
So pizza is tasty. What if it is super, super good?
Then you can say, this is amazing.
Amazing. Like magic.
Yes, wow, this pizza is amazing.
Wait, what about when the food is hot? Not spicy, but fire hot.
Ah, we say temperature hot, but in English we just say hot.
Wait, no, so hot is spicy and hot is fire.
Yes, I know. It is crazy. English is weird.
English is very weird. How do I know?
You just guess.
I guess? No, that is terrible, Luna.
No, wait. Usually you know. Like, hot coffee is not spicy.
Oh, true. Spicy coffee is bad.
Very bad. So if I say, careful, the soup is hot.
It is fire hot. Burn my mouth.
Exactly, Lucas. You got it.
Okay, wait, what if the soup is cold? Is cold soup bad?
Sometimes cold soup is a real food.
Cold soup? No. No, thank you.
It is good, like in Spain.
Weird. Okay, so we learned spicy, sweet, salty, sour.
And delicious, and went bad.
Right. Wow, we know a lot of food words now.
Yes, we do. Let's do a fast test for the people listening.
Ooh, a test. Yes.
Listeners, think in your head. What is a lemon?
Don't say it. Let them think.
Okay, the answer is sour.
Sour. Next one. What is a bad old apple?
Rotten.
Yes, rotten, like a zombie.
Perfect. You guys did great.
I am very hungry now, Luna.
Me too. Let's go get some tasty pizza.
Amazing pizza, not rotten.
No zombies, please.
Hey guys, what is your favorite food? Tell us.
Yes, and please subscribe to English Pod Center for more.
See you next time. Bye.